Hi, I'm Chris, your wellness consultant here at Tompkins Family Chiropractic, and I am honored that you have decided to partner with me in taking your first step to wellness. Today I'm going to give you a little sneak peek into one of the things that we do during your first consultation, which is called a heart sound recorder. And what we're going to do is we use a high-powered microphone that I'm going to place in 4 strategic areas to listen to the 4 valves of the heart: your mitral valve, your tricuspid valve, your aortic valve, and your pulmonic valve. And it is going to generate a graph on my computer, and based on those images I can tell you what nutritional deficiencies your heart is giving an indication for. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of where we're going to put these microphones. We're not going to do a whole thing because it does take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete one of these. So here we go. Alright, so we're going to put the strap around that arm. I'm going to have you raise that arm. I'm going to put this really tight. These, like I said, these are 4 strategic spots on the body. This is actually going to give us the sounds of the mitral valve down here. So then I would hit record. It's going to record for about 15 seconds. Then we would move the microphone over to the tricuspid valve. Now I know this isn't where the tricuspid and mitral valves are located, but this is where they're best heard. And then again, we're going to record for 15 seconds. And then from here, we're going to move up on the chest and go around the outside of both arms. And here we're going to be listening to the aortic valve and for 15 seconds, and then we're going to slide this over and place it here and listen to the pulmonic valve. And then I'll print up the graph and we'd go over the results.